Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my 5th vlog. Before I start, I would like to thank all the new subscribers on my YouTube channel Plant Lovers Diary. For today's video, I will be showing you how to grow garlic. For this video, I will not be using all of this. I will just use one piece of the garlic. Okay. So this is the one that I will be using for this video. Just a reminder for those who are not subscribed yet to my channel Plant Lovers Diary, please do subscribe. Let's go outside now. So this is the garlic that I've got earlier. Then we also need a plastic cup. And then the cover of the plastic cup should have a hole in it, just enough to hold the garlic piece that we have. Then let's put in water. And then cover it. Then put the garlic inside the hole. Make sure that half of the garlic is submerged in water. And also make sure that the top or the bottom part of the garlic is the one submerged and not the top, like this one. Now I've already prepared something before I record this video. So this one is already 1 week and 3 days old. So as you can see, there's already growth of roots at the bottom of the garlic. This is also what will happen on our garlic earlier, after 1 week and 3 days. So we will just need to transplant this on the soil. Okay, this is the closer look. And this is where I will put the garlic. This is the garlic. I'm now digging a hole. By the way, aside from subscribing or clicking the subscribe button, please also click the bell button if you want to be notified for new videos that I am uploading on my YouTube channel, Plant Lovers Diary. So when you click the bell button, you will automatically get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, I will now put in the garlic inside the hole. And I will cover it with soil. I will leave the top part uncovered with soil. That's okay. We'll just leave it there, the top part. No need to cover the top part of the garlic. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to Plant Lovers Diary YouTube channel, and please say hi in the comment section below. And continue to support our YouTube channel, Plant Lovers Diary. Thank you!